Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Creatnprocess. In today's video, we'll look at how to add some lens flare effect to design to give a nice glossy look. We'll also create some cover designs using the same elements. So let's begin with the designing process. Now, let's give some lens flare effect. Add a new layer on top, like that. Change the blend mode to color dodge. Then, with the eyedropper, select the color. Now with the brush tool, let's apply some color tones. Maybe a little bit of white. Reduce the opacity around 50%. Like that. So adding a little brightness. You can play around with the opacity here. After that, let's add some light stroke. So add a new layer. Select the blend mode to screen, and with the brush tool selected, let's choose some white color and click, drag, like that. After that, Command T, distort. Let's make it narrow around here, and let's extend it like this. Make it longer and place it around here. And after that, let's add some brightness with the brush tool. And after that, let's add some lens flare. So I have got some images. Let's drag and drop some images. So let's choose this one, drag and drop it there, and let's choose another one as well. So I'll choose around like this one. Let's see, enter, and hide this one. I'll place it around here and change the blend mode to screen and place it around here. Change the angular rotation and enter around here. Scale down the size and nice effect. Like that. Command T, scale down the size, enter. Now let's add one more. So we'll use this, change the blend mode to screen and scale down the size, enter, place it around here. For this, place it around here. Maybe let's choose, I think this one is better. Let's duplicate it one more time and let's place it around here. Command T and enter. Like that. Now if we check out our design, after adding the glossy effect here, you can see the nice highlights. With the soft brush tool, we have added this glossy effect. After that, with the brush tool, we have drawn this light stroke and given a nice blend at the end. The layer mode is under screen, so to add that color. After that, lens flare image, and it was in black and white. We have changed the blend mode to screen. Then we have added one more lens flare here and placed it around here to add some glossy effect at the corner. And now let's select everything, all these layers, and group them up. Command G or Control G. Now you can move around like this, and let's duplicate few so that we can give some dynamic look like this. So let's duplicate that, Command T or Control T, and place it around here. Let's scale down the size, enter, and here you can see we have got lots of brightness. So go in there and hide out that layer, then select these two highlights, maybe this one, Command T, increase the size to give that lens flare effect, enter, do the same, maybe let's keep it like that only, this one, around here, enter, lens flare effect. Let's duplicate this one more time duplicate this one and rotate the angle and scale down the size and place it around here. So we have given a nice glossy effect here. Let's hide out this one, and here we go. Now let's duplicate this one more time. So with the Alt pressed, click and drag and create a duplicate. Let's place it around here, and let's do some angular adjustments. So I'll make this a little bit angular like this and scale up the size. Enter. This one, Command T. Let's change the angle. Enter and place it around here. Enter. Let's create one more duplicate. Command T. Rotate the angle. Enter and place it around here. We can do some random changes. So Command T, rotate the angle, give it different angle like that, flipping it with the Alt pressed, and enter. And Command T, rotate the angle, enter. This one, Command T, let's flip it, enter, rotate it and place it around here. Let's go in there and let's do some adjustment with the lens flare effect. Rotate the angle like this. Like that. So let's do some adjustment with the size. Let's reduce the size, this one around here, this one, Command T, let's reduce the size. This one, let's see. Okay, let's increase the size and place it around here like that. And after this, let's give some title. So select the text tool, type out text, scale up the size. Let's choose a font, proper font for this. And finally, we have completed creating a nice glossy heart effect inside Illustrator and Photoshop. We have seen how to use mesh options to create a 3D object inside Illustrator and use the Photoshop to give it a more dynamic look to your design. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Don't forget to check out the next tutorial coming up. And if you want more updates on designing, don't forget to like, share and subscribe this channel. Thank you.